Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating the sheet and laying out headers so data is consistent. This prevents errors down the line. Enter item ID, name, category, QTY, reorder point, cost, and location as columns. Once done, set data validation dropdowns for category and location to standardize entries. Also format QTY and cost columns as numbers and currency so calculations work. You should freeze the header row and give the sheet a clear name so collaborators can find it immediately. You add formulas next to your data to automate tracking and reduce manual work. Use SUM for totals, IF to flag reorder needs, and VLOOKUP or index plus match to pull item details from reference tables. This speeds receiving and sales entry. Apply conditional formatting so any QTY below reorder point highlights red, making shortages visible at a glance. Also include a last updated column using today or now so you and others know how fresh the data. You finish by creating a dashboard sheet with pivot tables and charts that summarize stock by category, location, and cost. This helps you spot trends quickly. Once done, share the file with specific edit or view permissions and use comments for questions instead of changing data directly. If something breaks, first check data types and formatting, then inspect formulas for relative reference errors, and finally look for duplicate item ID. Keeping a version history makes it easy to roll back if needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.